If you're getting ready to take the WRT class with us, you may be wondering, do I need the IICRC S500 Standard for Professional Water Damage Restoration to take the course? The answer is no. The WRT class is based on the S500, and the information we talk about in class comes from the S500, but for this class, you don't need the actual copy of the S500. When you register for a WRT class at learntorestore.com, you'll get a confirmation email, and in that email, several PDF downloads. There'll be a course manual that has all the information we talk about in class in the manual to help you learn and study and prepare for the exam. There's a psychometric chart, air mover and dehumidifier calculation sheets, a WRT study guide, and WRT review questions or practice test. If you don't know what a psychometric chart is, don't worry, we're going to cover all that stuff in class, and on the first day, the instructor will go over all the downloads you should have. If you're taking a WRT in-person class with us, you'll get these files when you come to class. So you don't need the S500 to take the WRT class. However, if you're out performing water damage restoration services, it's highly recommended that you pick up a copy of the S500. It's the standard that the industry uses, and you should be familiar with it. Other contractors, adjusters, or even attorneys will all reference the S500 because that's the standard for water damage restoration. If you want to pick up a copy of the S500, you can either get a print copy at IICRC.org, you can download a PDF, or you can subscribe to the IICRC standards, which is all the current standards and the historical standards. If you want to get an S500, I'll drop that information in the description below. We're excited to have you in a WRT class soon. If you have any other questions about the WRT class, drop them in the comment section below and we'll make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe and notification bell so you always get notified when we have a new video.